Hello students, I hope you will be fine at home. Today I will discuss CBSE latest sample paper 2021 board examination of mathematics standard. Chapter wise marks distribution in CBSE 2021 based on the sample question paper issued by CBSE for session 2021 mathematics are such as total there is a change 36 questions will be asked in this examination. Now I will discuss this chapter wise marking distribution later on. Now the prescribed book for CBSE for mathematics textbook, all of you might have this, an exemplar problem. Most of them you will have, and you have to solve problems from this exemplar. And in from this year CBSE started some extra questions PISA based, so it is advisable for you have to practice more question on PISA based. Now if we go through the latest sample paper of the session 2020-21, in this question paper CBSE given some instructions. Your paper similar to this, the paper will be divided in the two part. The mathematics paper, the maths paper will be divided into the two parts. Clear? Part A and part B contains two parts. There are so many internal choices. In part A, if we discuss about part A consists of two sections. Clear? Part A divided into two sections, section first and section second. Section first is 16 questions of 1 marks each. Internal choice is provided in 5 questions. Keep in mind, in this first section, total questions 16 marks 1 each. Therefore, this section A part first contains 16 marks weightage. Clear? In the section second has 4 questions on case study. This is important. The word case study. Clear? So in this question, section 4, second 4 questions. Question 4 are marks. Each questions having 1 marks. So that is total 4 marks. Each case study has 5 case based sub part and student have to attempt any 4 out of 5 सब पार्ट्स. देखिए 5 पार्ट्स आपको गिवन है, उसमें से 4 पार्ट्स आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. तो हर क्वेश्चन के मार्क्स कितने होंगे 4. तो देखिए क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स 4. The total weightage of a second section is 16. The total weightage of section A is 32. It is clear? Section A is divided into part first and second. Part first question 16, 1 marks each. Question 4 in second section or marks 4. This is very important case study. These questions are introduced by the CBSE for first time. Clear? For first time. So therefore you have to be prepared yourself too much about this. Now we move to part B. Okay. In part B, clear? If we discuss about the part B, okay, we discuss about the part B. Part B is divided into 3 sections. Clear? This is section 3rd, section 4 and section 5th. Question number 21 to 26 are very short answer question, VSA. This type of questions having 2 marks each. So in this section, question 6 and marks 2. Therefore, this section contained 12 marks weightage. Now, question number 27 to 23. This is section 4. Short answer type questions carrying 3 marks each. In this fourth section, total questions 7 will be asked and each having 3 marks. The weightage of section 4 is 21 marks. Now, last section 34 to 36, section 5. These are the long answer type questions of 5 marks each. So in this section, there are 3 questions and marks 5 each. So total 15 marks. If you calculate, then the total weightage is 48 marks of the section B. Clear? Section B has a 48 marks weightage, or earlier we see the section A has a 32 marks weightage. Clear? So section A has a 32 marks weightage, section B has a 48 marks weightage. Internal choice is provided in 2 questions of a 2 marks, 2 questions of a 3 marks, and 1 questions of a 5 marks. So therefore total 5 internal choices provided it here. Keep in mind 5 internal choices provided it here. Out of these 5 you have to choose anyone. Now we move to markings. Before markings came the pattern, chapter wise weightage, unit wise weightage, number system. The number system, this is initially provided by the CBSE in July. The number system 6 marks, algebra 20 marks, and coordinate geometry 6 marks, geometry 15 marks, trigonometry 12 marks, mensuration 10 marks, statistics and probability 11 marks, total 80 marks plus 20 marks internal provided by the your schools, total 100 marks weightage. Now I shall discuss, this is very important, which chapter contains how many marks and which type of question will be asked from the chapter. If we start from the chapter first, the first unit contains only one chapter, real number. This is our first unit, real number. One questions of 1 marks asked. There is no case study problem. 2 marks 1 question, 3 marks 1 question, no question of 5 marks. Therefore total 3 questions will be asked having the 6 marks. So this unit contains 6 marks weightage and 6 marks questions will be distributed in such a way. Now if we come to algebra, algebra contains 20 marks. In algebra, in our book, from chapter 2nd to up to arithmetic progression, these 4 chapters belongs to algebra. In polynomial, 1 question of 1 marks, 1 question of 4 marks. This is very important. I will discuss later on. 1 question of 2 marks, that is 7 marks, 3 questions. This questions is a case study question. Although 1 question, but having 4 parts. Therefore this question contains 4 marks. The 4 marks plus 1 marks plus 2 marks, that is 7 marks, 3 questions. Pair of linear equation, 2 questions of 1 marks and 1 question of 5 marks. Therefore 3 questions containing 7 marks will be asked. Quadratic equation, 2 questions of 1 marks and 1 questions of 3 marks, that is 5 marks, 3 questions will be asked from this chapter. In arithmetic progression, only 1 question was asked in this sample paper. This is a not believable, but will be asked in sample paper. The only 1 question of 1 marks may be in your examination, but in my opinion the interchange between these 4 topics will be possible. Therefore 1 question from here or here may be cut and weightage will be given to arithmetic progression. But in this sample paper only 1 question was asked having internal choice also. So this is very important topic, but 1 marks question will be asked as per the sample paper. It may be changed, but previous year the same paper pattern will be followed by the CBSE. If we discuss to geometry, in geometry 1 topic is a triangle and another topic of geometry is circle and construction. Geometry consisting 3 topics. In triangles 1 section 1 marks, in 3 marks 1 question. Clear? So that is 1 and 1, but this is very important. 1 case study question will be asked. So this questions having the 4 marks. Therefore the total 8 marks weightage having 3 questions given to the similar triangles. Now in circle 2 question of 1 marks and 1 question of 2 marks, therefore 4 marks, 3 question will be asked. And in construction again 1 question of 1 marks and 1 question of 2 marks, therefore total 2 questions of 3 marks will be asked in examination according to the sample paper. So in geometry the distribution is symmetric, there is no problem. In coordinate geometry only 1 chapter, 1 questions of a case study having 4 marks and 1 question of 2 marks, therefore 6 marks will 2 questions of 6 marks will be asked in the coordinate geometry in this third unit. Now we come to trigonometry. In trigonometry first part, first chapter ratio, 2 questions of 1 marks, 1 question of 2 marks, therefore 4 marks 3 questions, and in application of trigonometry, 1 question of 3 marks and 1 question of 5 marks. Therefore, 8 marks of 2 questions will be asked. In this again, I put star because their internal choice, the marks will be interchanged. 1 question from here to here may be shifted as per my opinion, but on the basis of a sample paper, marking distribution is given such as. Now, I discussed area related to circle. Mensuration, we come to mensuration. Mensuration having 2 topics. In first topic, as usual, 1 question of 3 marks, no problem. 1 question of 3 marks will be asked. So in surface area and volume, 2 question of 1 marks and 1 question of a 5 marks. The total 3 questions of 7 marks may be asked. 10 marks mensuration. In statics, 1 question based on the case study, that is 4 parts, again 4 marks, and 2 questions of 3 marks. Therefore, in statics, 3 questions of 10 marks was asked in this sample paper. Now, in probability, again, only 1 question was given of 1 marks, in which internal choice is also provided. Clear, this is very surprising. Only 1 questions of provided in probability. So, but given such as 11 marks weightage is clear. But in my opinion, 1 question from here to here may be shifted in examination. Clear. So these 2 questions may be divided in my opinion, but on the basis of a sample paper, marks distributions are such as. तो सैंपल पेपर के अनुसार ये आपका मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. प्रीवियस ईयर के अकॉर्डिंग इसमें थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हो सकता है, पर सिमिलर पैटर्न यही रहेगा. तो आपको इसी के अकॉर्डिंग ट्राई करनी चाहिए. अब सेक्शन फर्स्ट 16 क्वेश्चन, सेक्शन सेकंड 4 क्वेश्चंस, सेक्शन थर्ड 6 क्वेश्चन, सेक्शन फोर्थ 7 एंड सेक्शन 5 3 क्वेश्चन. ध्यान रखें इस बार आपके पास 36 क्वेश्चन है. तो ध्यान रखें टोटल जो आपके पास क्वेश्चन है पेपर में, टोटल क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके पास 36 क्वेश्चन. क्लियर. नाउ we will see the paper. This is your type of paper, mathematics standard. Such type sample, your paper will be similar to this, only the sample question paper will be, this word will be not there in your examination. These are general instruction I have constructed. The in this section first, in section first question having alternate choices, and section in this question number 5 are having alternate choices of AP. This is quadratic equation, alternate choice. This is very common question in this circles. This is also having internal choices, and the probability I will also told to you, only 1 question was asked having the internal choice. Now this is very important. Section second, case study based questions are compulsory. Attempt any 4 parts of each section, each सब पार्ट कैरीज 1 मार्क्स. तो देखिए इसमें 5 पार्ट्स गिवन है. देखिए ये आपको एक फिगर दे रखा है, कंडीशन दे रखी है सनरूम की. इसमें देखिए ये आपके पास फर्स्ट पार्ट है, और ये देखिए आपके पास सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट, फोर्थ पार्ट, फिफ्थ पार्ट. आउट ऑफ फिफ्थ पार्ट you have to choose 4 part. So therefore there are internal choices in all these 4 questions. These questions are very important question, and these questions are PISA based. Clear. Program for International Student Assessment. तो आप इसका ऑनलाइन काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस अवेलेबल है, इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और मेरे साइट पर लगातार बने रहें. मैं इससे बेस्ट काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आपको भेजूंगा. ये देखिए next case study question, question number 18. Next case study question, again this question having 4 parts, 1 2 3 4. This is question third case study based question. Very good figure is given. देखिए very good figure is given. Again 4 questions, 4 part. This is last case study. Now come to part B. In part B, in case of internal choice attempt anyone, जो भी इंटरनल चॉइस है उनमें से आपको कोई सा भी एक करना है. देखिए ये इंटरनल चॉइस आपके पास है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के क्वेश्चंस में, और देखिए कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का क्वेश्चंस है. उसके बाद देखिए आपके पास ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में इंटरनल चॉइसेस आपके पास है, और ये आपके पास 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन में देखिए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में इंटरनल चॉइस है, और देखिए सरफेस एरिया वाले क्वेश्चन, ट्राइंगल वाले क्वेश्चंस में वेरी पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है 9AD² 7AB², इसमें इंटरनल चॉइस है. और ये आपका सेक्शन लास्ट सेक्शन है, इसमें देखिए वेरी सरप्राइजिंग हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस में आपको इंटरनल चॉइस दे रखी है. तो जो टिपिकल टॉपिक है, उसमें आपको 2 इंटरनल चॉइसेस में से एक करना है। तो ओवरऑल पेपर का पैटर्न आपके पास ये है और काफ़ी इजीएस्ट पैटर्न किया है इस बार आपकी कंडीशन को देखते हुए। अब देखिए मैं ओवरऑल एक बार वापस समराइज करता हूँ। अपना जो पेपर है, पेपर विल बी डिवाइडेड इन द 2 पार्ट्स। अगेन मैं समराइज करता हूँ, ध्यान से देखिए, ई और बी सेक्शंस, ए और बी सेक्शंस। ई सेक्शन डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 parts, 2 subsections. First A, second B. Second part sections. B divided into 3 sections, 3, 4 और 5. देखिए अब क्वेश्चंस की बात करें, फर्स्ट सेक्शन 16 क्वेश्चंस और मार्क्स 1 ईच. सेक्शन सेकंड 4 questions 4 or marks 1 each but having 4 questions, that is 4 marks. Section 3rd question 6 marks 2. Section 4 question 7 marks 3. Section 5 question 3 marks 5. So if you allotted 16 marks, this contains 16 marks, this is 16 marks, so section A contains 32 marks. Clear? This is 12 marks, this is 20. Section 4 containing 21 marks, section 5 contain, overall if you sum up them, then this will be goes to 48. Overall this is our paper of mathematics having 80 marks. Clear? Question 16 or 420, 26, 30 total questions. Clear? So I hope it will be clear to all of you. If any doubt, then write on comment box. I will give answer to your each and every questions. Keep watch regularly my channel. Thank you very much for watching this.